Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Got a customer that brought in a Ford Transit van. Said the vehicle started running really poorly. Check engine light was on, it was flashing. They weren't really sure what was causing the issue, but they definitely wanted to get it taken care of as they had a large family that needed to use this vehicle regularly. Brought the vehicle in, put the scan tool on it, noticed it had a lot of engine misfiring and different emissions codes indicating that there was definitely a serious issue with the vehicle not running up to its potential. We pulled the front timing cover off and happened to see that they used this thing called a cam phaser to adjust the timing. This cam phaser had failed internally, and as you can see from the picture, there's actually components missing from it, which was not allowing it to work as it should, allowing the cam to move to whatever position it wanted to instead of holding it in the desired position based on what the computer was wanting for maximum fuel efficiency. We got some new components, replaced the timing chains as well since we were in there, and you never know what kind of damage can be done to those when a phaser failure happens. Got it back together, took it for a drive, and the vehicle drove just as great as it did prior to this failure. We do specialize in drivability issues here at 3D Auto Repair, so if your vehicle isn't running quite right or you have a check engine light on, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free inspection for these types of things. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop, and share this video in case somebody else has an issue like this and they need to know what's going on.